and grade 11 students to my presentation. I'm Hannah Park from grade 12 St. Vincent, and today I'm going to prove my topic, natural beauty is true beauty. And before we start, I would like to give many thanks to my advisor, Ms. Dennis, and my mentors, Ms. Chanting Lee, and Ms. Iris. So, thank you. Okay, so let's begin. So this is a content layout that shows in what order I will present my topic today. And before we start, I would like to show you a little music video called Just Right by GOT7.
제발 좀 말해주면 나 저러 너도 말해주면 나 아무것도 바꿀 필요 없이 예쁘다고 지금 그 모습 그대로 완벽하다고 지금 그 모습 그대로 완벽하다고.
Okay, so what is your reaction after watching this? Is it like, I love GOT7? Or is it, I don't really know what he's saying. Well, actually, he's sharing an important message. A message that she is pretty just the way she is. A message that she does not need to put on any makeup. So today, I'm going to prove that people can be beautiful without makeup because they possess a natural beauty that outweighs makeup. So let's look at the makeup side first. According to Sandings, there are many different reasons why people wear makeup. It's not just they want to look pretty. They want to be expressive, they want to look younger, they want to be confident, they want to look attractive. I think you probably don't get what I mean, so I brought a real example. This is from my sister's pouch. Sorry. So she likes contouring makeup, which can give her fine effects of light and shade. So her motivation is to look healthy and attractive. And this is from my mom's pouch. So she loves anti-aging cream and wrinkle care products, which means that her motivation is to look younger. But then they have one ultimate goal, which is ideal beauty. So YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, they all show the outstanding pretty woman as an ideal face. But the problem is they make people believe that they should also fit into that ideal beauty. But is it really worth chasing ideal beauty by purchasing all the makeup products? I don't think so. Because there are so many side effects of makeup that we did not perceive. For example, the lead exposure in lipstick, skin disease, aging, and eye makeup problem. So, if makeup is not recommended for this reason, how can we intensify our beauty? Benjamin. How can we intensify our beauty without makeup? Oh, it's okay. It's the natural beauty. So natural beauty is definitely over makeup beauty because even the makeup artists predict that more and more people will like natural beauty because it's more unique. And obviously you have less skin troubles, you can have the innocent look, and there's a natural beauty boom in our society. So we all know Jennifer Lawrence, right? But then, did you know that she is favored as natural beauty? As you can see, even the top Hollywood stars are going through the natural beauty boom. So, yes. Going to my primary research, the survey. So there were 100 people in my survey, and I asked them mainly through Facebook message. Most of them were female, and they were aged from 14-year-old to 40 above. So one of the limitations that I found here was that I only asked to female students or teachers because they're more familiar with makeup. Guys, you don't wear makeup, right? So, but then at least I tried to ask one guy in our class. Yeah. So I asked, hello, can you do my survey? And if you don't know how to answer this, I'm not going to say out his name. I want to say thank you to him because at the end he joined the survey and he actually answered the questions. But since cannot do makeup, he couldn't answer that many questions. So yeah. So in the survey questions, I asked them whether they put on makeup or not. So if they do wear makeup, they ask how often and how much they wear makeup, and then answer the following questions. So this is my survey result. On a scale from 1 to 5, how important is makeup to you is what I asked. And most of them said 3, 4, or 5, which means that makeup is quite important to them. And this is actually what I did not expect because so many people actually answered that makeup boosts their self-confidence because people generally look beautiful with makeup and people can cover their skin complexes. But we have positive response there. And this is a positive response. I was very glad because still in our society, there are many people who believe that they don't need makeup to boost their self-confidence because they value their inner beauties more. And makeup only brings up short-term effects, so it's actually not enough to boost your self-confidence. And I was very surprised because more than 80% of them said, I will stay confident without makeup. This is very a lot. So I wanted to know if this is true or not, so I did an experiment. My experiment is called Makeup, No Makeup Challenge. The rule is very simple. Sometimes people wear makeup, sometimes they don't wear makeup. Ms. Chanting and I discussed about it a lot, and we decided to do this in the school days because you know there are many students around. You guys are students and you could do the experiment. But I was rejected by the school because of the school policy. So don't worry because I did it during the Christmas break. So I just wanted to say this is one of my limitations. So participants were grade 12 students. And then I divided them into 2 groups. So group A are people who wear makeup, and group B are people who don't wear makeup. Another limitation. Some people in group B, because they never wear makeup, they don't know how to wear it. So Yuri was one of them. And what we did is to do her makeup. So the following video shows the process of her makeup challenge.
Strongest taste, loudest drop, strongest taste, loudest drop, heaviest unlock.
UV got some positive effects, but let's see if it's true or not. So these are the results from group B. I thought people would feel beautiful or pretty after the makeup, but then I found that more people felt awkward or uncomfortable with their makeup. And I was very surprised because when I asked, was there any change in your self-confidence? They said no, because they like their natural beauties and they value their inner beauties more than outer beauty. Group A responded as the same as well. So I asked them to erase their makeup, which was really a hard task, right? But then actually most of them felt no big difference. And even one of the participants said, oh, natural beauty right here. Yeah, I really like her attitude. And then, but then as you can see, still some participants are quite sensitive to less makeup or more makeup. So I'm not trying to say that 100% of people will support natural beauty, but that there is still some open possibility for natural beauty to win over makeup beauty. And this is an interesting part because I also asked each participant to observe people's reaction. And almost none of them could spot any change. So as you can see, not really, they did not spot any change. Yeah. So if people cannot spot any change in your appearance, would you still wear heavy makeup? Would you still wear heavy foundation? It's up to you. So as a conclusion, I think my thesis is half supported because, as I mentioned before, in my survey, still many people like to wear makeup and still many people think makeup boosts their self-confidence. But throughout my experiment, I realized that still many people value inner beauties more than their outer beauties. Yeah, let's talk about my limitation, suggestion, and further research. Obviously, my limitation was that I have extremely short time period. I only get them 1 week to go through makeup challenge or no makeup challenge, which is really limited time. So, and then I could only get the results from one gender only. So if I do my research paper again, I want to extend my experiment to 1 month period so that they can go through less makeup and more makeup challenges with more spacious time. And then I will make a survey suitable for both genders. So rather than asking guys, well, do you wear makeup, I will just ask, how do you feel like about women's makeup? And for the further research, I thought that it would be so interesting if I research about men's perspectives on makeup. So I want to promote this further research in my college next year, not in my high school. So, okay, I want to make a quick question. Do you think I'm wearing makeup or not? If you think I'm wearing makeup, please say, please raise your hand. Okay, so 3 of them got right. I'm wearing makeup, but then it's only the basic skincare product and the sunblock. So I'm not saying that you should stop makeup from today. I'm saying that don't let makeup to be the main force of your beauty. Natural beauty should be the main force, and makeup should help to enhance your beauty.